with implementation of singly linked list using dynamic memory allocation. In previous videos, we have seen that linked list representation using array, whereas array takes the static memory allocation concept. Now here we are implementing singly linked list using dynamic memory allocation. Now you may get idea about what is mean by dynamic memory allocation. Let us see how it is used in linked list. Okay. So linked list contains the collection of nodes, okay, where each node contains data and pointer or reference to next list. Okay. So suppose this is the list 10, 20 and 30. Now in order to create linked list, what I have to do, I want a number of nodes in that list. Okay? Number of nodes in that list. But that node have same type of format. Data and link. Data and link. So what I will do, I will create a structure for this node, and in list I am going to add the nodes. Okay? So what is structure for this node? Here we are using the concept called as struct, okay, that already you have studied, might be in C or fundamentals of programming. Okay. Struct, then give the name for that struct. Here we are defining structure for nodes and give the name as node. Here you write as type def. Type def is the type definition which allows user to create its own type of data. So node is the user, means our structure, okay, that we have created. In that we are taking, node has two parts. First is data that you want to insert. If I want to insert integer type of data, then give it as integer. If you want to insert character, then you can use here character. Okay. Now by using, and what I am telling about type def. Okay. Type def which allows user to create its own data type, which is called as type definition. And by using type def, it gives a clear idea about the data. Okay. And also it is very easy to use for the updation in the list. Okay. The next part is pointer, which point to the next element in the list. Okay. This pointer hold the address of next node. Address of next node. So here we are taking pointer variable. Suppose next. Okay. And this pointer variable hold the address of what? This node. So here node. Struct node pointer next. Okay. Next is a pointer variable which hold the address. Address of which type? Node type. So node pointer next. This is the declaration of node. Now how to create node? Dynamically. So to create node, there is again one function. Okay. Node pointer, here create node. Now here is the create node's function name which create a node. Okay. Node means this node, like this. Create a node, okay, and this function returns a pointer. Pointer means it returns address. Address of what? The created node. So that created, it returns the address. Address of what? Node type that is created. So its return is node. See here, if I not use here type def, then here I have to use, every time I have to use struct node pointer. Every time I have to use this struct word. So if I use here type def, no need to use every time as struct. Okay, this is the use of type def. So this function will create node and return address of that newly created node. Now I will use here one temporary variable of node type, which is again a pointer. So this temp is a one variable of pointer type, means it holds the address of node. Then creating node. So how to create node? Temp which hold the address of newly created node. Okay. Temp is the pointer which hold the address of newly created node. Address means memory. So we have to create memory to store that node. How to create memory? Dynamically by using operator called as new. Okay, because here we are using C++, so we can use here new. If you are using C language, then here you have to use malloc function. You have to use malloc function. Now I am going to explain all this code in C++. So here I am using new operator. New will create memory space, or it will allocate memory space of which type? Of node type. Node means which contain two parts, data and next part. Okay. So by using this new operator, it allocates the memory of node type and return that address to 10. 10 hold the address of newly created node. So this is called as temp. Okay. After that, what I will do? Temp of next is equal to none. Because only one node we are creating by using this function. So its next make as none. So this node is not linking to any other. It is a single node. So make next as none and return the address of this newly created node. Okay. This is for declaring the structure of node in the list and how to create a single node of the list by using a dynamic memory allocations, that is by using new operator. So every time when you want to create node, you can call function create node. What this function will do, it will create one pointer variable. In that pointer variable, the address of new node will get stored by using new operator. So new operator always allocate memory for the node type of data. This node type of data means node contain two parts, data and name. So it will hold the memory space that is divided into two parts, data and address of next node. Okay. Because here we are creating only one node, so its next is null and return that address from where we have called this create node function.